Samsung just leaked the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Stunning display, crazy camera, and a battery that refuses to grow. Let's break it down. Let's start with its truly stunning display. The S26 Ultra packs one of the brightest, richest Dynamic AMOLED screens you'll find. Perfect for movies, gaming, or trying to look productive while doom scrolling. It's big, super smooth, and Samsung's Flex Magic Pixel tech even lets you hide what's on screen from side glancers. Top-tier performance? Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 gives very smooth performance, whether gaming, multitasking, or watching TikToks at 2x speed. When it comes to the camera upgrades that actually matter, the flagship camera system includes a 200 megapixels main sensor with improved optics and better low-light shots, so your photos look less like abstract paintings. S Pen integration? The built-in S Pen is great for notes, sketches, or signing things you'll immediately regret. A productivity tool that many power users will actually put to use. Yeah, let's talk about what could be as negative points on this phone. For many, the S26 Ultra feels like a S25 Ultra 2.0 rather than a revolutionary upgrade. New features are real, but not earth-shattering. It's the smartphone equivalent of new year, same you. Battery size still the same? Rumors say 5,000 mAh again. Decent, but feels conservative for 26, especially when rivals push bigger packs. It's like Samsung said, stable is good, but also, same is cheaper. What about the premium price tag? Flagship prices remain sky high, and with expensive tech everywhere else, your wallet might scream louder than the phone's speakers. Design familiarity? The design remains pretty close to previous Ultra models, with some tweaks. If you were hoping for a dramatic redesign, prepare to be slightly underwhelmed. Overall, the S26 Ultra is a masterpiece with minor flaws, and is expected to be officially announced at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on February 25, 2026. Go for it if you want the absolute best display and camera, 2026 flagship level. You are on an older phone, S22 or earlier, and love productivity tools like the S Pen. Maybe skip it if you already own the S25 Ultra or S24 Ultra. Upgrades feel incremental. You want huge battery leaps or radically new design, and you feel your wallet experiencing shock and awe when opening the price tag. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.